Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to descale your tankless water heater. So step one is to unplug the unit, and then step two would be to shut off the cold valve up top there and leave the hot water one open for now. Right now it's closed, but leave it open when you're doing this. And then go to, I don't know, 2 or 3 bathrooms, kitchen, and open up the hot water side valve to let air into the system and allow the water to flow down to the, presumably the basement where mine is, so the water can drain out. So let that drain down into the unit, and then you're going to actually open up these valves down here so the water can drain all the way out into a bucket. And so I hooked up these hoses here, and normally you have these little caps on the bottom. You take these off and you hook up the hoses. You might need a good wrench like this to make sure they're good and tight so that they don't leak. And it'll drain the water down into the bucket. There's not a ton in there, so I didn't even come close to filling this up, but maybe about a third full. And then once you've let that drain for a little while, what I did was I came up here and I closed this, and then that prevents me from draining all the water in the whole house down through into the water heater. I really just want to get most of the water out of this, right? So close it and then go dump the bucket, get the water out of there, because then you're going to take a gallon of regular white vinegar and you're going to pour that in there. This was like $4.50 at Giant Eagle. And then you're going to set your pump in there. Mine's already running, but set your pump in there and you hook up this hose that goes to the right side of the unit. And again, you're going to want to make sure that's on there good and tight. And then you put the other side hose into the bucket so that as the water is pumped up through this hose, it goes up into the unit and circulates around and comes back down the green hose back into the bucket where it can be pumped back up again and again. And you're going to let that go for at least an hour. The directions say to pump until the liquid is clear, and you may need to even use more than a gallon of vinegar. So make sure you follow the instructions that come with your unit. That's what I'm doing, but your situation may be a little different, so make sure you follow the instructions that are specific to your unit. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I will leave a link to this unit I bought on Amazon in the description. And if you like this video and like this content, please hit the like button and the follow and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys later. Thanks.